Now we're going to go through and start putting the skirting on around in the corners. We'll do it in parts so you can actually see a whole room all done. Also got these corners to go on, which you'll see how they go on and go together against the skirting as I go. Okay, let's go. So start off with, have to remove the strip. Just get something in there and the whole lot should just come out nice and easily. Corner set up. I'll just set it down just a little bit. They groove in. Just like that. Push together. And slide one end in. Like so. And there. So now that corner there is in. Make sure it's here, button in nice and tight, like that. Like that. And then push down a little bit. Wind them in. So when you put these back on, you just make sure that you're starting from the part that is butted in, and then you finish up on the part that is covering with the little corner bracket. Okay, so we're just continuing the same process for the scotia and the quarter molds. First of all, leave out. Okay, now that we have installed those, we're going to install ones that are running up the side there. They just go hard into there. They will run short, but we'll show you how these caps go on as well. So, there you go. So now that we have the sides on, we are going to put this length up on here, up on the top of the wall. What we are going to do is hold it up there, and we're going to measure so it's halfway, put it up there and screw it up. These corner brackets, put in just like that really. And as I was saying, these beads that come along the top of these ones here will need to be cut to fit so they don't continue on. It's what holds this bracket on. They just get pushed on like that and continued all the way up. As you can see, they are too long, so they will need to be cut between just a couple mils past the plastic cover. And then that will go aligned. Just like that. From here. Okay, so we're just continuing the same process for the Scotia and quarter molds on the other side.